This is my song, April Fools, another song about a month that's also kind of sad. I'm just going at all of my songs. So here's April Fools. As the days grew colder, our love got older, and I find myself returning to that melancholy feeling that I go to when nothing else seems appealing. The weather's warming out, the night in my head, from April showers to the endless hours, and the month that all came crashing down. So April Fools, the joke's on you. I finally realized that our love was never prized. April Fools, it's all on you, 'cause in the end it's better for me. I hope you like your trophy. April Fools. All the words still hurt now, as they brought back to my mind. Sometimes you didn't mean them, but oh, those other times, the wounds still bleed now. As you stare at me, and I know I can't stop you, but just look away, please just look away, just look away. April Fools, the joke's on you. I finally realized that our love was never prized. April Fools, it's all on you, 'cause in the end it's better for me. I hope you like the trophy. April Fools. So April Fools, the joke's on me. I let you leave glowing while I am stuck knowing that I'll never love again, not like I used to. At least all the damage is irreparable, at least the love was memorable. April Fools. April Fools.